Hi everyone, this is Layla and today I'm going to try to make Baba Ganoush all by myself and Daddy will be filming the whole thing. First things first, I need 3 eggplants. An important thing to remember is that you have to clean it really good. Before roasting the eggplants, be sure to poke holes in it so that moisture can escape. Now that Daddy turned on the grill, we're gonna roast the eggplants for an hour, turning them every 15 minutes. I took the eggplants off the grill and now I'm going to let them sit and cool down for a few hours. Now that the eggplant is cool enough to touch, I'm going to start preparing it. First, I'm going to cut off the eggplant stem. Next, I'm going to cut it down the middle. Now I need to separate the eggplant skin from the eggplant flesh. The eggplants have a lot of seeds. Some people like them, some people don't. If you don't like them, take out as much as you want. If you like them, you can leave them in. We don't mind, so we just leave them. This might get a little messy, so I'm gonna roll up my sleeves. Now I'm going to start separating the eggplant skin from the eggplant flesh. I'm gonna start by using my fingers. These are the ingredients: sesame puree, which is also known as tahini, 1 full squeezed lemon, a whole lemon, 1 tooth of garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of mayo. First, I'm going to squeeze the mayo. Next, the salt. One tooth of garlic, lemon juice, And now the tahini, which is a little bit messy. Now for the fun part. We're gonna use our blender to do 3 short pulses to mix everything together. 1, Now for the real test. So good. If my cameraman, my daddy, will behave, I may let him have some. Well, we're done. This Baba Ganoush is great for pita, toast, bread. You can put it in sandwiches. You can use it as a side dish, and it tastes really good. Please leave a comment if you whether you liked it or not. Thanks. Bye. One last important thing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking below. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I post a new video.